This showcases the rice production cycle, from seed sowing to finished rice production. It begins with scenes of a field being prepared for rice planting. The soil is plowed and furrowed for sowing the seeds. Tilling the soil helps to aerate it, allowing the roots to penetrate easily. It also helps eliminate weeds that may compete with the crops for water and nutrients. After tilling, a seed drill is used to sow the seeds into the furrows. The seed drill also applies fertilizer along with the seeds to aid plant growth. Once planted, rice plants need regular irrigation. This can be done by watering or by flooding the fields. In the video, we can see a field being irrigated with water from a nearby canal. Irrigation provides water to the crops, which is also a vital nutrient for their growth. It helps regulate soil temperature and prevents weed growth. As the rice plants begin to grow, they require frequent fertilization. This can be done by applying fertilizer directly to the field or by spraying pesticides. In the video, we can see fertilizer being sprayed on a field using a tractor. Fertilizing provides the crops with additional nutrients to help them grow strong. It also helps them resist pests and diseases. When the rice plants are mature, they are harvested using a combine harvester. The combine harvester is a machine that cuts and separates the rice grains from the stalks. In the video, we can see a combine harvester being used to harvest a rice field. After harvesting, the rice grains are transported to a processing plant. At the plant, the rice grains are cleaned and milled into white rice. White rice is rice that has had the bran and germ removed. The video shows the rice milling process. After milling, the rice is packaged and ready for sale. This provides a great overview of the rice production cycle, highlighting the effort required to create this essential food. Rice cultivation has evolved over millennia, from traditional manual techniques to modern mechanized methods used today. Modern rice cultivation involves using advanced equipment and technology to increase yield and efficiency. The first stage in modern rice farming is land preparation. This involves using tractors and other agricultural equipment to till the soil, aerating and loosening it to help the roots grow easily. After the land is prepared, the next step is sowing the seeds. Seeds can be sown directly into the field using specially designed seed drills, or they can be germinated in trays or seedbeds and then transplanted into the field. Once the rice plants are sown, they require regular irrigation. In traditional flooded rice systems, the fields are flooded, creating a favorable environment for crop development. In modern irrigation systems, techniques such as sprinklers or drip irrigation are often used. These methods optimize water usage and ensure that the crops receive the right amount of water. Managing plant health is also crucial in modern rice cultivation. This includes regular fertilization to provide the crops with essential nutrients and applying pesticides to control pests and diseases. Pesticide application can be done using traditional methods or advanced techniques like drone spraying, allowing for more precise and efficient crop treatment. When the rice plants are mature and reach the appropriate stage, they are ready for harvest. Modern rice harvesting is typically done using combine harvesters. These powerful machines efficiently cut the rice, separating the grains from the stalks and straw. The harvested rice is then transported to facilities for further processing. Rice processing involves several steps to convert the harvested rice into the finished product we consume. First, the rice is cleaned to remove any impurities or debris. Then, it is milled to remove the tough outer husk, bran, and germ. The milling process produces brown rice, a type of rice that contains bran. Brown rice can then be further milled to produce white rice, meaning it has had the bran layer removed. White rice undergoes additional processing steps, including polishing and removing stones. Polishing helps eliminate any remaining bran, resulting in a smooth and shiny surface. Removing stones involves sorting the rice to eliminate discolored, damaged, or low-quality grains. Once the rice is milled and polished, it is ready for packaging. Rice is packaged in various sizes and materials, such as bags or boxes, to protect it from damage during transportation and storage. The packaging also allows for easy use by consumers. Modern rice cultivation plays a vital role in ensuring food security for the growing global population. By utilizing advanced farming techniques, equipment, and technology, farmers can achieve higher rice yields, contributing to this essential food supply worldwide. This introduces the entire process from growing, harvesting, processing, and packaging walnuts. It begins with scenes of seedlings being planted in an orchard. An automated planting machine works efficiently by digging small trenches, carefully placing the seedlings inside, and then covering them with soil. This process ensures that the seedlings are planted evenly and at the correct depth, creating optimal conditions for root development and initial positioning. Stakes are placed beside each seedling to support them as they grow and protect them from weather impacts like strong winds. After planting, the young walnut trees will need regular irrigation and care. This includes watering and fertilizing frequently to help the trees stay healthy and produce a bountiful harvest. We can see a drip irrigation system being used to water the trees. This system provides water directly to the roots, minimizing water waste and ensuring the trees receive the necessary amount of water. Fertilizer is also applied to provide the trees with essential nutrients. Various farming techniques, such as tilling, are used to help the walnut trees grow. Tilling helps remove weeds around the trees, which compete with the walnuts for water and nutrients. It also improves drainage and aeration of the soil. Additionally, tilling provides a layer of mulch that can help the trees retain moisture and prevent weed growth. The scene then shifts to show the walnut trees after several growing seasons. At this point, the trees are taller and have much denser foliage compared to when they were first planted. The lush canopy indicates that the trees are healthy and have developed properly. The walnuts can now begin to bear fruit, a process that typically takes several years depending on the variety. The harvesting process will be shown next. The walnuts are ripe and ready to harvest when the outer shell begins to split and the inside kernels turn dark brown. A specialized harvesting machine is used to gather the walnuts. The machine shakes the trees, causing the ripe walnuts to fall to the ground. The walnuts are then collected by a gathering machine and transported to a processing facility. In the processing facility, the walnuts are cleaned and sorted. This involves removing the outer shell of the walnuts and then sorting the kernels by size and quality. The process involves various machines, including sorting machines and weight classifiers. The cleaned walnuts are then packaged for shipping to stores and consumers. Walnuts can be packaged in various ways, including by net weight or in specific quantities. This shows walnuts being packaged in labeled bags and boxes. The labels include information about the product, such as the type of walnut, origin, and packaging date. The leftover walnut shells from the processing can be used as raw material in various industries. The piece concludes with a scene of a truck filled with walnuts leaving the processing facility. This indicates that the walnuts are ready for distribution to stores and consumers around the world. Overall, this provides an engaging overview of the walnut production process, highlighting the meticulousness and effort required at each stage to bring this nutritious nut from the orchard to the dining table.